House of Representatives don't agree say them go set up ad hoc committee wey go investigate the plenty killing and wahala wey don dey happen for Benue State for the past 15 years. Them take this decision after Honorable Dixon Takije raised motion of urgent public importance. As he talk say the June 14, 2025 attack for Yelwata community na serious one wey kill many people, scatter properties and make thousands run comot from their homes. He warn say if them no act fast, the wahala fit turn bigger one and the humanitarian problem go worse pass as e be now. The House come beg NEMA, Ministry of Humanitarian Affairs and other agencies make them rush go give relief to people wey dey suffer for the attack. Them still tell committees on interior, national security and human rights make them go check how the matter be, suggest wetin to do and investigate the killings so that people wey suffer go get justice.
Aware that similar attacks have occurred regularly within and beyond the constituency, exacerbating insecurity and fear among communities in the area. Further aware that the National Emergency Management Agency and other relevant relief agencies have been called upon to provide urgent humanitarian assistance to the affected areas. Concerned that the scale of the crisis requires immediate and coordinated intervention to prevent further loss of lives and to provide adequate support for the displaced persons affected in the community.
For another matter, the House can declare say the Ikene, Shagamu, Remo North Federal Constituency seat for Ogun State don vacant after the rep for the area, Honorable Adewunmi Onanuga, died for January 2025, as INEC go need to run by-election to replace him.
This is to notify honorable members of the House of Representatives, pursuant to Section 68, subsection 1B of the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, 1999, that the seat of Ikene, Shagamu, Remo North Federal Constituency has become vacant. This vacancy is as a result of the death of Honorable Onanuga Adewunmi Oriomi on Wednesday, 15 January 2025, which was announced in the House plenary. She was a member of the All Progressive Congress. This notification is in fulfillment of Section 68, subsection 2 of the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, 1999, and for the records.
Make una no forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. Ohifemi Onosimo, TMC News.